Hi, today we're gonna open a show bag from Royal Melbourne Show. Let's open it. I actually brought 4, but today I'm just gonna open one. That is a Cinnamoroll one. Let's open it. This is what's inside. I'm just going to pick one thing at a time. So this is the bag. That's Cinnamoroll. This is the ears that it's not attached to the bag. It's just hanging. I'll show you the inside. This is the inside. And it also has another pocket here. Let's open another one. There's a Cinnamoroll notebook. This is the pages of it. The pages has like lines to write in. It has lots of pages. And it's really cute. It also has Cinnamoroll at the back. I also got a Cinnamoroll headband. I'm going to try it on. It's cute. I can wear this in Halloween too. It's really fluffy and light. There's also a Cinnamoroll pouch. It's blue and it's also dark blue. There's also cool patterns at the bottom. I also got a Cinnamoroll bracelet. It has a Cinnamoroll charm on it and it has lots of beads with 2 clouds here. And then a star. And then the back of the Cinnamoroll charm. There's also Cinnamoroll slippers. And then the last thing is, there's 2 more things here. There is a Cinnamoroll necklace. It's long. And Cinnamoroll is also holding a cake or ice cream. And then the last thing is Cinnamoroll stickers. There's more than one in here and there's different types of characters and styles. The back. And this is the bag of it. The slippers isn't going out. I'm just going to flip it over. This is the front. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye!